There's a new dance. It's like...
What?
Today, I'm making a pancake cake. Starting with my flour, which I'm going to sift, a pinch of salt for flavor. In terms of the sweetening agent, or rather a sweetener, I like to use muscovado sugar, 3 large eggs, vegetable oil, 160 ml. The last ingredient is some milk. All the liquid is in, and we just carry on with the whisking. So there's a thing with the first pancake, and it always flops.
No, you're
flops.
doing it right if the first one flops.
High
Okay?
five.
Yes, that's our
So
excuse.
you better flop, you better flop. How you know is that the sides become to make slight bubbles and right on top, and then you know it's ready for you to flip. Woo! Okay, good. First one done. Now it's time to make the filling, and I use simple ingredients. I've got some coconut cream, which I placed in the fridge. You can also place it in the freezer if you don't have time until it is super cold, and I'm going to whip it. To sweeten that, I've got some condensed milk. I love condensed milk. Cocoa powder, which is completely optional. I'm going to add my chocolate ganache into my whipped coconut cream. Yum! I'm just mixing this through, and I love the marble effect. Now it's time to assemble. I've got some blackberries and some strawberries. Also have some coconut, which I toasted. I love this. And I also have fresh coconut. So the toppings is completely up to you to choose. I love a pop of red in food in general. That's why I've got these ones. We're going to cut it, going in for the kill. Oh my gosh, this is a slice and a half. Must I cut it in half?
No.
Yeah. No? You didn't bring me a plate.